Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. I have a quick one for you. Where this one no normal. Yeah, this one no normal. No normal, my people. So CMR, Cushane, Carter, yeah, from the Carter family was get arrested. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, him get arrested down in Miami there. And my viewers and subscribers, this is not a easy thing to talk about. Yeah, this is not an easy thing to talk about. Knowing say me have young daughters and me have young kids, so it's hard to talk about. And the reason why me I talk about it is because of that. Yes, so me have to go light and go easy upon the talking because certain words you can't use because of YouTube rules and regulation. Now, my viewers and subscribers, one thing me have to say to you all, down in Florida there, as a matter of fact, in the United States of America, them no play when it come on to them kind of things there. Yes, they no play when it come on to grown men. Yeah, grown men interfering with underage. And remember, me can't say certain words because of YouTube. However, this gentleman, at one point, this gentleman go outside a marriage with an 18-year-old. And it blew up and there was a whole bunch of problems. So I think this guy have a problem. Nobody know if it's true. Nobody know what happened. But me I tell you this. Say, the police now go just run and lock him up so without them investigation and without a good knowledge of what them do. Viewers and subscribers, if this guy gets through this, what would I like to tell him? I like him to know is him need help because him have young kids. And if him have this kind of problem, him need some serious help. And to all of the man them out there, we have this kind of problem. And me I talk this thing from my heart, because me have daughters, And me I tell you this truth, brother. Yeah, man. You notice me not there in front of the camera? Yes, me there behind the camera. I talk about this one, yeah. Because this one, yeah, is very serious. And me always talk, Me always open my mouth and say, if and me hope, say nobody try anything with my little ones, Because it is very hard to watch these things, to listen these things. And then you still have some people out there I hold some conversation and I talk some things about the people who make the call. Now, the only thing we can say about this situation is if it is founded that nothing like this happened, he need to take heed. He need to make this be a learning experience. He need to make this one be the last one he's going to get his name called. And that's all me go say about that part. However, some people are say him wife, daughter, him say something to. Some people are say I couldn't that him do because the girl intelligent and the girl smart, and me, nobody know what happened. So me not go speculate upon what happened. And me not go say him couldn't or him coulda or him shoulda. No, me not go do that. The only thing me have to say about the situation is men's, mothers, girlfriends, wives. If you don't have a man, I want to see a certain kind of problem in a them, help them, talk to them, because that brother have a problem. Yeah, man, that brother have a problem where he need to fix. Yeah, he have a problem where he need to fix. And this is a problem where they're out there. Throughout the world, they're out there. And it's a problem we need to stop. Yeah, man, it's a problem we need to stop. When you reach a certain age, man, you mustn't look down there, man. A certain age is a certain age. Make it stay there, so, at your age. Certain age, you know fi look, you know fi say nothing, you know fi, no word should I even come out of your mouth. Morning and evening, and that's all. My viewers and subscribers, them thing are hard to talk about. Yeah, them thing are hard to talk about. So, we just want to bring this thing to you all today. For make you know popular TikToker, Jamaican, American base, social media mogul, cause him have a YouTube channel, him have a big channel on TikTok, have over 200 subscribers. Yeah, have over 200 subscribers. And a Damiah thing, him name a calling. Subscribers go out for you, man. Subscribers look out for you. And at these kind of things, your name a go call in. You let down your subscribers, youth. Yeah, man, you let down your subscribers, youth. You not think about your subscribers. All you think about is yourself. You not think about your family. It's just yourself. And see it there now. And remember, in America, anything, any one of them something, will happen to involve young girls. Remember, I can't call the word away him though. I mean, not even going to try to talk about the word when do or put it in the video. Me go try my best for when me I write the thumbnail, me go try my best to put it in there, but me cannot because you don't know YouTube have them rules. But you're not supposed to think them the kind of way. You're not supposed to have them the kind of thought in your mouth, in your mind. Youth, listen me now, CMR. There's a lot of young gentlemen want to be which part you is. There's enough Jamaicans out there. Enough people would love to sit down in your shoes. Not that other shoes. Your shoes with your big following, your big YouTube, your big everything put together. And it's because of your hard work. But you got a problem, youth. you got a problem, and me go say this. Me go talk to TikTokers, YouTubers, the Jamaican one them, whether them based in Europe, England, Canada, America, Jamaica, anywhere. What happened to you, brother? No, this is not a joking question me I ask. What happened to Uno? Are the money I get to Uno head? Or are the fame I get to Uno head? Or what I get to Uno head? What happened to Uno, man? For the past 2 months, every minute you look, a Jamaican YouTuber or a TikToker or somebody in the news, and for nothing good. Oh, listen, only one person know in the news, and him a do so much good. Color Smith TV, and guess what? In the news. If we not talk about it, nobody else not talk about it. But all I know where I make millions, I make so much money. In the news for the wrong thing. Because money get to your head. Take the money, make it get to your head, and turn into some form of different kind of human being. What wrong with you, brother? My viewers and subscribers, what is wrong with these people? What, my viewers and subscribers, down below in the comment, tell me what you all think happened to these people that is making so much money off social media and doing the worst thing on social media, causing problems, causing people to be unalive, causing people to get SHOT, causing people to be in the hospital. Them a cause all kind of drama. But guess what happened? Guess what happened? To my beautiful viewers and subscribers, when me have enough respect, enough love to my subscribers them. I think I have 2,600 subscribers, hoping to reach 3,000. And it's not easy to get subscribers because somebody have to make up their mind and make up them thought and think good. Should I subscribe to this person? And why and what the reason cost me to subscribe to this person? And when a person subscribe to you, that means that person wants to see and help you along with your journey. What you are do to your subscribers them? Now, this morning, me do one video about another Jamaican who was you call Dolly Celebrity, shoplifting, caught on camera. By the time me done that video, then me have to do the next video of you doing what? Getting arrested for, can't call the words, interfering with young people that you shouldn't be interfering with. Me not say allegedly, you know. Me not use that word. You know why me not use that word? You know why me not use that word? Them a police, yeah? I'm telling you something. Them a police, yeah, now just get up out of them bed, out of them work, and just go lock up people allegedly. Nope. They not do that. Them not do that. Remember me telling them not do that. Them now go just take you up and just... Yeah, them now go just do that. And me go tell you this. The only way you get out of this one, yeah, is if the person who say you do it and the person who say you do it Say no, they never see you or you never do it. That's the only way you go get out of this year one. Because the two words with them use, one of the word is, you walk on the street or you see a person and you call to that person or you say something to that person that person, that young person, don't like, and tell somebody and that person call the police. And then the other one is you could be doing something sex, sexual, and somebody see you. Maybe it should be a window or your car, yeah, and somebody see you. Remember, me can't too much into it. Yep, those two charges in America, a serious charge them there. So, to each and every one out there, when you understand them charge, Google them. Yes, Google them and Google will tell you what they mean. I believe what I go do, but you know what? I can't do it. All me I tell you, Google the two charges and then Google will tell you what them two charge mean. Then you will have more understanding towards it. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me not go too far into this because I can't really say much word because of the situation. So, yeah, because of the situation. So, here what me I say. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and make we talk and discuss this here one here, because this here one here I get from bad to worse, and it's not only in the US, in England, in Canada, it a go on in Jamaica, and it a get terrible in Jamaica, and some of it is because of them see these kind of people I do the same thing, so them a say, what? Them a do it, me can't do it too. This is not a joking matter. This is a serious matter. Anyway, peace and love. And remember, guys, leave young ladies, young girls alone. Leave them alone. Have a nice day. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Peace and love. I'm out.